Are you looking for a turnkey home in Bradford West Gwillimbury? This is 26 Crown Crescent, and this house is absolutely phenomenal. I walked through the home, it's completely renovated, all the work's been done, you have to do absolutely nothing. We're gonna check out the house, but before we look at that, we're gonna look at the neighborhood. Right here on Crown Crescent, it's a very quiet street. Not many cars have passed by since I've been here. The neighbors are very nice people. In this area, there's tons of schools, you got some shops nearby, and it's just, if you want peace and quiet, this is where you should be. You're a little bit far from the city, but not too far. You could still drive there for work, or if you need to go to Barrie for work, we're in a good location. Let's take a look at the perimeter of the house. First, let's look at the garden in the front. Got a beautiful tree here, some nicely planted shrubs. The driveway's in good condition as well, guys. No cracks, no potholes, nothing like that. The house has great curb appeal, as you can see here. It's beautiful. It's a 3+1 bedroom side split, 2 bathroom. And I think it's great for a first-time home buyer or family looking to upgrade from a condo, get out of the city, get some nice peace and quiet. We're gonna make our way to the backyard. Oh, it's also 2-car garage, as you can see. It's beautiful. We have an exit from our garage to the outside, or entrance into the garage from the outside. Nice little deck here. In your backyard, you can have your garden here, plant whatever you'd like. We got our pretty flowers there. It's the neighbor's tree. Nice greenery. Nice room for your kids to play. You can host barbecues out here. It's great. We have another garden in the back right corner. It's beautiful. We get tons of flowers, tons of greenery. Very nicely done. We have our nice deck here. Have some dinners outside, some drinks with friends. Whatever you'd like. It's a great house, guys. Looks stunning. I love it. Let's take a look at our deck. This goes into the kitchen here. It's your barbecue. Let's give you your views. While you're making burgers, you can have your kids playing over there, watching over them. Have your burgers and hot dogs going. It's awesome. Very nice sized lot. All the dimensions will be in the bio or in the link below. Making our way around the other side of the house. This is what it looks like. Another tree here. Back to the garden out front. Again, that great curb appeal on this home. Look at the size of this tree. Now let's go look inside of the house. As you walk in, you can clearly tell this has been newly renovated. Fun fact about this house, ever since it was renovated, it has been vacant. You will be the first one to live in this house with this beautiful uplift they did to it. Look at these hardwood floors, absolutely love them. Great color. Great finishes here. High ceilings as you walk in. We'll take a look at the front entryway. That's what it looks like. Very nice. Let's make our way to the main level, where you'll find your kitchen and dining room area. Beautiful bench along here. Extra storage underneath, as you can see. I love the lighting fixtures in here. I think they look phenomenal. These little, not pot lights, but they're great. You got the pot lights around. And then another lighting fixtures there. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Look at this countertop. Very sleek, very nice. The white on black with the subtle dose of gold in there. You get it on the handles to all the cabinets. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. I love this island here. You have all your appliances, dishwasher, stove, oven, fridge. Nice sink here. You can overlook your barbecue and backyard here. Take a look, we got a little dine-in area here as well. Tons of natural light coming in. Absolutely beautiful. Just imagine sitting there having your morning breakfast, looking outside. Whoever did the renovations on this house did a phenomenal job, I'd say. Looks great. Look at that. I love that bench idea. You could sit on the other side. That's great. Another angle of the kitchen. Got our living room or family room here. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Let's make our way to the bedrooms now. But first, we'll make a pit stop in the washroom. Got some beautiful tiles on the ground here. Look at the size of that shower. It's literally wall to wall. That is huge. This is a 4-piece washroom. Stunning. Stunning. You walk into the primary bedroom through here, or obviously the hallway. Nice big room. And look at this wardrobe here. This is stunning. From the ground up, all of this is yours for storage. Your clothes, whatever you'd like, to be honest, your house. But it'll be very nice and organized. Look at how deep this goes. It's my arm. My shoulder's right there. The deep wardrobe. Got your drawers here. If you're a person who likes to be organized, this might be the house for you. Look at that. Stunning. One last look of the room. Oh, I also love this barn door here. Look at how cool this is. Wish I had this in my house. Look at that. Awesome. We have our second bedroom here on the right. Still nice and big. You got the view of your outside here. Go over the driveway. The neighbor has raw organic honey for sale as well. Just saw that out the window. That's pretty neat. You got your closet here. We have a linen closet just outside all of the bedrooms. And your third bedroom. With another closet. Again, guys, this house has been freshly renovated. No one has lived here since. This is a brand new home, essentially, I'd say. Not really brand new, renovated. Freshly renovated home just for you. Now we're going downstairs. One thing I didn't point out was your coat closet when you first walk in. Stay organized in this house, guys. It's perfect. It's pretty deep. So now let's go downstairs. We have some storage underneath the stairs. Very nice. Oh, this is a crawl space. Perfect. It's a lot of storage. More than I expected. Here we have our, this could be a bedroom here. It's perfect. It's actually very big. Very nice. Look at that. You can look right outside your beautiful home. Look at this. This is a big bedroom if you want it to be. Got a little bar sink here. Some more storage. You got room for some laundry machines there. Got a stunning bathroom here. Again, another 4-piece bathroom. Tub, shower, toilet, sink. And we have our furnace room behind this door. I think it's a great use of space in this house. Again, fully upgraded, can't emphasize that enough. Fresh renovations just for you. No one has lived here yet since they've been done. We could walk right into our garage through here. Actually, let's do it. Let's open the garage. There's our garage. 2-car garage, very big. And you have your walkout right there. Stunning. If you're interested in purchasing this property or just coming to take a tour of it, feel free to reach out to me. All my information is in the description below. Feel free to call me at any time, and I'll be happy to help you guys. This is a phenomenal home. I love it. I want to buy it, and yeah, I can't wait to take you guys through this house. It's stunning. Look at this. I love it. Just a beautiful main floor here. Wow. Any young families thinking of upsizing, getting out of a condo, anything like that, getting out of the city, I'd love to help you move into this house. This is awesome. Remember, I'm Anthony Rocco Macedo. You can always call me, and I'll be very happy to to help you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. Have a good one. Ciao.